Most people think you need a laptop, advanced coding skills, or expensive software to build mobile apps, but that's not true anymore. In this channel I'm showing you how to build real mobile apps using only a smartphone, no PC needed, no complicated setup, just simple tools, AI assistance, and step-by-step learning. The goal is not just to watch tutorials, but to actually build projects together, even if you are a complete beginner. In this video, I am showing you exactly how I was able to build this mobile app. It's a simple calculator app. I'm gonna show you how I built it from scratch, step by step, every detail, every click, so you can follow along and create your own version. By the end, you won't just understand how it works, but you'll actually have the foundation to start building your own apps. So let's get started. As you see, our calculator app is functioning very well. It is working perfectly. That is how we are going to create one. Show you how, step by step, we were able to come up with this. Firstly, join our WhatsApp community. You will get the APK app for building mobile apps on your phone. After installing the application, you click install anyway and open the application. As you see, click the blue button at the bottom, allow, click continue, and select hwb and allow access to all files. Go back to our application. Now click the blue button again, click close. Now this is how it looks. That is the application we are gonna use in this tutorial for today. Now the next step is go to ChatGPT and write a simple prompt. Let me first pause the video. Now create a prompt to make a basic calculator using HTML, CSS, a script in a single file. Make it precise or summarized. Now wait for AI to give us the full prompt. We shall copy this prompt. As you see the copy button here down. After copying it, go to your Notepad app and remove the unnecessary part in the prompt that comes with the AI response. Now you copy all the prompt again, copy it all to your clipboard. Now you go to DeepSeek and select expert. Now input your prompt, paste the prompt there and run it. Wait for the AI response. After the AI response is done, you go and copy all the code using that button there. Now go back to your hwb application, open it, create new project, remove that default message and put the project name. We are going to use calculator app, create project. Now you select it. Now select HTML. You should delete this message, default message, long place, and select copy all or select all. Paste the code from DeepSeek using that button and run it using the preview button at the bottom right. As you see, our code is running and in preview mode. So it's time to test it whether the application we built it is working perfectly. Someone else can be contented with this result, but I am not. We are missing some parts of the basic calculator. So we are going to go back to DeepSeek and ask it to add a point and percentage and run the prompt. Wait for the result to complete and copy the code again. Go back to your hwb application and click back and select all and paste the code again, run it using the preview button at the bottom. Now, as you see, the point and percentage have been added successfully. It's time to go to get the app logo and splash image. Let us use Google. Go on Google and search calculator image and select images. Remove or download any image of your choice from Google. Like that one is perfect. Now for me, I have already downloaded. Now after downloading, come back to your hwb, click import media file. Click import media file. You will be directed to your gallery. Select the image that you've downloaded from Google. For me, I have used that one. After uploading the app icon from Google, you select publish your website. Publish your website. As you see, click it. Now select convert to Android application. You will be redirected to this page. Select the picture you've just uploaded as the app icon. Select it. Now for the app name or application name, put something simple like My Calculator. My Calculator. After, for the package name, you can delete this and put something like home.calculator. Home.calculator. For the version name, it is okay. You can go with that one. Version code, it is version code 1. Yeah. You leave that one as it is. Don't change it. That one and the next one. Don't change it. Just go image of splash page. Select same as app icon. Same as app icon. Now for the permissions, we shall use full screen mode and hide title bar. You put them on and remove all the others. As you see. Now click the blue button at the bottom. Download the application you've just made, go to settings and allow download from this source of web. Go back and install the application you've just made yourself using your phone. Now you can scan, but I prefer going to install without scanning. Now after the app is installed, click open. As you see, the splash image is working perfectly. The app is working properly without any problem. And that's how we've built this application step by step. If you have followed along, you've already taken the first step into mobile app development on your phone. Remember, you don't need a laptop or advanced experience. Just consistency and practice. If you want more tutorials, follow this channel so you don't miss the next build. I also share extra step-by-step guides in the WhatsApp community link in bio. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.